Ingredients: 4 chicken thighs, bone in and skin on. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 red bell pepper, sliced. 1 yellow bell pepper, sliced. 1 green bell pepper, sliced. 1 cup mushrooms, sliced. 1 can, 14 ounces, crushed tomatoes. 1/2 cup dry white wine. 1/2 cup chicken broth. 2 teaspoons dried oregano. 1 teaspoon dried thyme. 1 bay leaf. Salt and black pepper, to taste. Fresh basil leaves, for garnish. Cooked pasta or polenta, or rice, for serving. Start by seasoning the chicken pieces with salt and black pepper. In a large skillet or Dutch oven, heat the olive oil over medium-high heat. Add the chicken pieces and brown them on all sides until they are golden brown. Remove the chicken and set it aside. In the same skillet, add the chopped onion and minced garlic. Sauté for a few minutes until they become fragrant and translucent. Add the sliced bell peppers and mushrooms to the skillet. Cook for about 5 minutes until they start to soften. Pour in the white wine and simmer for a few minutes, scraping up any browned bits from the bottom of the pan with a wooden spoon. Return the browned chicken to the skillet and add the crushed tomatoes, chicken broth, dried oregano, dried thyme, bay leaf, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Stir to combine all the ingredients. Bring the mixture to a simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes. Until the chicken is cooked through and tender. Stir occasionally. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning with more salt and pepper if needed. Once the chicken is cooked, discard the bay leaf. Serve the chicken cacciatore hot over cooked pasta or polenta. Garnish with fresh basil leaves for a burst of flavor and freshness. Enjoy your homemade chicken cacciatore, a classic Italian dish that's both comforting and flavorful. Buon appetito! Please like and subscribe to my patreon.com/user?u equals 251764118